Hello everyone, so today I want to do a brief demo for the ICP task. It's gonna done by the HIVE database and in the Cloudera virtual machine box. So first of all, I would like to run the HIVE, which is already there, and I can run this command which can create such a table with the distributor name, ID, distributor name, and the amounts in, amounts out, the integer volume outs for those countries, and the year of those trading countries. So firstly, we can just create a table, and as you can see, it's created here. Like I run all those my queries in another common table. I just want to show you guys again to like see how those code implemented in the HIVE. So after creating a table, we can run the load the data into the table. And there's over here because the path here is not the right one we have, but it's easy to fix. It's like we can just replace it. So it's the path will be here. So we just need to drag it to the command table. Okay, never mind. Then we can just load it. Okay, as you can see, the data is loaded. And okay, how about next part? Then we just can start doing the query. So the query pretty straightforward. The first one is like what is the total amount of petrol by every distributor. So the total amount, you can just group all the same distributor and then sum them up to see, okay, what is the total amount. So it's like this query, and it takes some time to run it. We don't really need to see the result, we just want to see if it works or not. So we come to the second question. Let me explain it. So the top 10 distributors ID will be we can just order the distributor ID by the volume outs. Then we can see like the top 10 distributor, who are they, and then also we have to use a descending order because we just want to output the top 10, so we can limit the output at 10. Okay, the result here is done. So we run the next query, which is gonna be the top 10 distributor. Okay, it's running here, so we just take a look at next one. The next one will be the 10 distributor name who sold petrol in the least amount. So for least amount, we can order it by ascending, which is in default, as the one in the above question. We can just limit the output at 10. It's pretty straightforward though. So we saw the result here, those are printing out, and we can run the query again. Okay, it's also running. So go to the last question for the first data set, which will be to output the difference between the volume in and volume out, which is greater than the 500. So here I do two queries, one for the 500 greater than 500, one for greater than 4500, 450. So you can see the difference between them. Like for example, if I just type in the greater than 500, so you can see like nothing's right there. So the dataset doesn't have such a value difference greater than 500. So what if I type in change the value to the 450? It has slightly different because it has several output done by here, as we can see, like 555, 455, 464 and stuff. Okay, that's for the question 1. For question 2, we're gonna use dataset Olympic. So it's also pretty straightforward. The data set will be, so we have to create the table first. The tables part will be here. Then we just need to copy and paste here with the country, age, year, closing sport using source code from the because it said the table Olympic already exists. Okay, it's fine because I already did it in the HIVE database. So we just need to do it one more time, like load those dataset again. Okay, we made the same question. The input is not the right path. It's fine. So we just use our own path here. Okay, let's run HIVE again. Take some time. I mean, yeah. So like this part we can simply just check there. Like it's almost the same. Like you just run all the source code from the from the lecture notes, then you get the result from it. I already post all the result on the GitHub, like as you can check here, ICP for like all this result, it will be totally the same. Like for example, the question 2, it's like, cause I just want to save the time. It's like a repeated work. That's for petrol, and here is for the Olympic. Like we get the result, load the dataset, create a table, load the dataset, and do the first query, do the second query, and do the third query, fourth query, and 5th query. Like I already document, record all those query code here. And like for question 3, I saved the question 3 result right there, so I think it's okay. Like that's for question 2 to show how many medals in 2000 years for all those countries. And when we are creating such a movie, it will be right there, I think. So we create the table and load the data, and also we can do the query to select the drama or action movie, like limited by 10, and like to see the movie ID rating is 5, and some other things query like the like what? Oh, rating. Yeah, join the movie table and to sort the rating, and yeah, so many things. It's like that. So hope you enjoy the brief demo for it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching it.